Dulorantocosh Waterproof Fibre Mascara is marketed as a beauty product that supposedly delivers longer lashes and dramatic eye-catching results. But a real question is, what's actually special about it? Or is it just another mascara with big marketing claims? Now, to be fair, fiber mascaras can genuinely make lashes appear longer and thicker than traditional formulas. The tiny fibers attach to existing lashes, creating the illusion of extra length and volume. What it does well may create the appearance of longer lashes. This is one of the biggest selling points of fiber mascaras. The fibers can make lashes look noticeably longer, could add volume and thickness. Many users enjoy the fuller lash effect compared to standard mascaras, where the hype falls apart. It will not actually grow your lashes. This is the biggest issue. Fiber mascaras create a cosmetic effect, not permanent lash growth. Waterproof does not mean completely smudge-proof. Performance can vary depending on skin type, humidity, and daily activities. Fiber fallout can occur. Some fiber mascaras shed tiny particles that may end up around the eyes during wear. So, what's so special about Dulorantocosh Waterproof Fibre Mascara? Short answer: it may provide longer-looking and fuller-looking lashes, but its core features are similar to many other fiber mascaras on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.